Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. Ngasi akoi India gi keno 1975 emergency hi matang da discuss tawni ko. Say it's considered as one of the darkest era in the democratic history of India. Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. Ngasi je akoi post independence ki lecture series ta ko lo chalak tore and she said the 1975 emergency ko Indira Gandhi matamda tawkhiba emergency do the black era haiga su dum khangnabado adugi matanga naina ni kai maramdagi emergency gi national emergency ko under article 352 the imposed over the ko adu duni yengde se kai maramgi tawkhrino karamba region dagino kai torumba yai maduna kari impact pigi ko adu myam do yengse a black spot on a democracy ko to the 1975 emergency se India gi political history da ko post independence era da ham ba to na te home super emergency ni hoi internal threat ta gi maram oiraga to bodi aham bani but as a national emergency when imposed over the home super habani habadi national emergency under article 352 je hoi keno amendment ke ka 44 amendment ka introduce loi tor kanda koi gi one on the grounds on nang external threat ama natra adagi armed rebellion dra hasale ka rihana leramra ka internal disturbance natra now karigumba India je atopa lamga atopa sovereign country amaga land so ngamatam the external threat ne har declare to bone ko sei mamang diong habidi 1968 India's China war to gibudo 1971 the liberation of Bangladesh ki war to gibudo maduda so national emergency imposed on ko but that was on the grounds of external threat 1968 ki war 1971 ko now Indira Gandhi matang bi jina akoi gi the internal disturbance thoe har ga torok pone ko armed rebellion adugum bala en ko so duration je 21 months ko from June 25 1975 to 1977 power ko si akoi gi chronological order the prelims ga hangbodo dozu hangpe ko okay haidi 1951 the planning commission adu to gibani adagi mathang danan emergency was imposed for the first time in India kind of adagi the third emergency was imposed on the 1951 adu 1975 ka domain twist to pe ko adu si matam je thokibo holocaust ke time ni se around 10 lakh people were sterilized ko vasectomy to koi the population control to no bagi damok tan na magi machan pa la na to kibo ko and then over 1 lakh people were jailed without trial ko 22 custodial deaths sigum by the opposition leader me fazin giba adagi adu before emergency to dringa the congress lok sabha the majority ni phangam 352 seats ni and just after emergency when election was held the performance of the Congress on the Lok Sabha was 153 seats that reduced so anyway this was about kanoni sarapa facts machama pibani the factoids mako so kangmon internal disturbance he ground that security of India had been threatened by the internal disturbance he ground tawkibani now akoina hujik naina duja sida ko akoina hujik naina duja emergency imposed tawgra kai maram dagino habidi emergency tholok tringai da India da kai crisis laibage kai economic political crisis kai laibage ne first the economic crisis samni thoe because of inflation adagi forex depletion lakpa due to inflation price skyrocketed ko and then unemployment see it was stagnant ko employment rate see adugi matik wamba habidi job creation was stagnant ko and strain on resources due to 1971 war khoi mamangi session da yengi po 1971 war da Indira Gandhi role yengi sida huge influx kanogi magi Mohini Bhakti naga magi kanogi exile government koi Kolkata da establish to reform to adagi India na intervene to kanda Bangladesh to kano to gibin ko magi liberation fangib na ko West Pakistan ge adu gi matam du da khoi kano se khoi eastern sector je moiga Bangladesh ka border oi banina keno refugee myam changchale ko huji keno daga lai jini adum nang NRC exercise to matam daga adum lai jini huji ko natra illegal migrant ni which was entered during this war and mind to no ko adum refugee myam chang pa India gi poverty alleviation program oro adagi nangi khoi lai natural resources si myam ta chaithing adum phang ba ta bani ko adugumba aduna factor ama. And then worker strikes all over trade unionism gi rise of trade unionism ko worker strike lakpa mogi because of economic stagnancy lakpa and student protests in Bihar Gujarat I am a pot tangkat pagi kenoni sina maram morga hau pangata ni prices of foods all ko adagi sing matang dai no Indira Gandhi ne Gujarat ki legislative assembly dissolve to sangi ba ko mogi state interfere to boina and then tasal with the judiciary now so this sparking points that sigi judiciary ki case the state of Uttar Pradesh versus the Ras Narayan case in a sparking point ogi combine ogi har kanda akogi kenoza Indira Gandhi se both tawre kar aba matung da Allahabad High Court na decision p ko High Court of Allahabad na decision swaine p magi election je invalid to thopo ko akoi na khangi election gi ground si valid oi natraga oi de High Court ni na challenge story ja akoi Lakshmikan gi topic te sum khamni ramni ka hai di mane power to abuse story and the election was not conducted in a free and fair manner the oidre habigi ground the invalid to thokane ba adai di ke dawre ko na mana keno tasal lam thoga khoi keno je emergency the dog imposed option bane ko on the grounds of threat of international disturbance na sigi case se Rasnaran ke sina ni ko sparking point o gre se khoi emergency imposed ho je habidi emergency thok tre mamang da factors ma'am le ba nang dissolution of Gujarat assembly and influx of refugee sina tung oina maram oi ba tar ga su na ki marik pi moi ba do si jina oi ba so adu 1975 June 26 the emergency the imposed over si bo habiri president na iru ruling ada sign taw le na ko and article 352 the imposed over it lasted till March 21 1977 ko adagi hoi Bihar ga iho horo krise trigger point do sino oi sparking point ko the spark hai dare adagi keno Jaya Prakash Narayan JP Narayan mai ho total revolution kana ko whole country to learning girao of the Bihar legislative assembly girao lok tho ka hai ni ko total revolution khangjalo sima sai high ko on the grounds of malpractices unfair or free and fair election order and she could not aduga Kemas election to be arroy he could not hold any office for 6 years as senior ruling PJ to be precise ko the judgment do si khangjalo si judgment je to be more precise he sahi taruk to kano to be arroy have ni they mana Supreme Court appellate file to bani ko appeal to bani the Supreme Court na that she could stay in office until judgment is given final judgment am pd ngong ti lai ro hai ni adagi mana ko na adagi JP ko adagi Jaya Prakash Narayan adagi moi opposition kangun ke dore moi keno the army the police the bureaucracy the civil servants pam ke dore ma order in ganu khot kanina dumana special pressure matam ma lightning response keno emergency when declare to give ne under article 352 khangani ko se sini now shida koina critical evaluation ama to we are what should have been done what she could have been acted in democratic manner the kari action lorum ba yawge hoi ngasai Supreme Court na hagre judgment ngai mun ko hoi ngairam ba mathau tai ba hadi she should have wait for the judgment and if it went against her kai guma ma gi mayok ta leba taragadi ke dar mana the hoi implementation to biro ma the verdict to implement to biro natraga peaceful no protest to amba sia that see yam democratic o po ni na ko to bri to amba but alternatives have wani have it ko and then the general election in 1976 just mathang chei lai ra ne ado ngairam ba yai natra election da mai fazana campaign to ka pa yai oi ka ta bu jai but ngairam ba ya have democratic di oi no ko and aduga dissolve to be man resign to ko khone khangra article 75 ta kind of prime minister na dissolve to tar ga di ki tar ge whole entire CO mem do dissolve to ado dissolve to ga dum fresh election haram bi 1975 October November she tor ba yai have ni ko effects or impacts the koi ubo phang the 42nd amendment act 1976 ko si mini constitution ka hairo si da ila hapai man o to na yam gre now we will not discuss that in detail because koi nei ju nei na gre Adugi topic sunate adubu khango habani post independence ni keno polity history je chaw ong khanga na ko topic ni ko aduna sire han hor di yaro pa matam da su video yeng du polity je chaw ong khanga ba history je chaw ong khanga ba India gi economy je chaw ong khanga ba geography landform features nam le khang ta ga di more of an application ki that to coin nahi na ka topic ni ko and in fundamental rights they were made subordinate to the active principles of state policy. Adaga people na han emergency je though they welcome ko later with emergence of youth congress under Sanjay Gandhi represented by people ko sinorgas mai kanoni machani leisa committee appoint to investigate atrocities during emergency the chathagi ba inhuman or mam do adu kano tong thijanaba so aduna ko using naina ji so a bit of analysis macham to matam da hoi emergency imposed to way manner it was itself undemocratic going aside high grade ko hanjana kayino oi haije because mana low river decision do kedore magi lairiva council of minister ko or even cabinet COM council of minister ko lairiva portfolio pariba hera COM gi portfolio pari me alam da tanan de mathanda tawgiba individual decision ne it was an individual decision ko. So that's so kind of a disregard to massive political opposition and unrest across the country. Adagi opposition gi can also pressure am to like amta mawalog na man si toksang number 1 da ham sima control over legislature. Adagi emergency do impose tawre emergency laiba marak to the parliament je kedore man sida laiba opposition gi voice mam do keda their freedom of speech and expression was completely nullified. Moi ruling party khakini even ruling party to chroma gi oiba individual decision ga tangai ko control over political opposition adagi kedore si ek se maintenance of internal security ek se panjalaga keno phajari ni jail da buk thamini ko 26 June da ko ari number 4 the crippling the judiciary adagi atopa ko 42nd amendment passed or riba nangi judicial review ko je undermine to ri ko for the series of decrees laws constitutional amendment that that seek to reduce the powers of the judiciary ko si lorga ni 44 amendment la kan amun mapang ka khang ri do ko adagi kano gol tori do lesi matang da koi ko na Keswananda Bharati adjustment the basic structure gi innovation ga thola kren ko as a judicial innovation no and putting an end to the judicial review of a constitutional amendment to see judicial review high body to determine the constitutionality of an act or an amendment adu yeng bagi under article 12 ta natra the article 32 da the high court article 226 ta high law si kenogi constitution gi basic features si violate tawbra fundamental rights ki mai to lay natra ka laiti high yeng bagi power do judicial power do adu do namthar ga thamlaba mayam law de ke legislation mayam to ga bani ko ha ni kai no ha ka mo hai je moina koina je nangi DPSP da yauriba nangi socio economic measures program yam se tau ge hai so adna impact si koi okay marak ta post khara le salure tu ko slide chat khre so si le re controversy geng re adagi political opposition mam gi freedom of speech and expression nam thagi ba adagi nangi maintenance of the internal security act misa act panjan gi ko adagi judiciary cripple oikiba ko fundamental adagi ko sigi se koi maru oina sigi se kari no haibo kana putting an end to the judicial review of a constitutional amendment haibadi akoi judicial review je kham ni myam ko kanoni akoi any parliament assembly law ko or natraga law sigi makhar pibe any regulation kum har kari kum sigi keno sina fundamental rights kumba natraga koi constitution gi basic structure ja sigi principal sigi mayokta laiba taraga di judiciary na ko under article kya ta under article 12 adagi under article 32 adu kishina supreme court ke adu article 226 the one review to boy idra ko for to examine the constitutionality ko haibadi keno si ko gi basic funda lai je fundamental right ki mayokta laibra natraga laitabra basic structure ki tenet si bale tawi natraga tawde adugum bagi yengbi provision si ki keno da interfere to selo ko aduna sida moina haije matam du haije e moina DPSP gi provision nam implement tong na ba paikhat moina adagi anti poverty programs adagi adu mam je na right to equality adagi right to liberty right to life si mayuk ta lai re ko haibagi nama da moina koina welfare program de ta kak thale sini adugi nama da moina topsal lai ni ko. He was accused that the judiciary was obstructing proper socio-economic measures such as land reform legislation in the name of defending fundamental rights kind of high ko. Adagi yung adagi ma'am impact ma'am urgent curtailment of fundamental right to constitutional remedy she for the kind of right to constitutional remedy kind of under article 32 na tra se. Si Dr. B. Ambedkar na heart and soul of the constitution ke harm do she for the curtail the green ko matam du da aduna ke dawre nangi degi protest strike public agitation me adum te yahandre disregard of federal principles se ko ne khangare ko it per se it means to the idea of power sharing between the center ka constituent unit kam like the line national emergency imposed of state ki oiba magi domain da lejaba subjects me am ko degi magi oiba power me am pulo paisale na ko state government me am control tawre to non-Congress government ko Modi Congress ni na ko aduna Congress like taba lam state kaido for example Tamil Nadu ki DMK ade Gujarat ki janata do moi ki government jo dismiss tawre ko and then aduga UP ga Odisha ki Congress chief minister to replace to for not being reliable some na hai se examples ni some na hai ni je kaino state government da lai ba kano se state ki obo domain do khud thingjal e ko aduna you know that the federalism which is a basic feature of the Indian constitution she ki mayok so ma'am can oibo tawre dana ko controlling the press and civil society ko the press the civil society NGO ma'am ki can to ba mogi censor to ba ko mogi you know in giving opinions or ko emergency matang da high strict censor thama ko and stifle all protests and opposition to the several academicians newspaper man ko government ki any critics lo in the trade union student in more jail da ayam ko the religious and cultural organizers like Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS haje ko and Jamaat Islami they were all banned on the apprehension of disturbance to social and communal harmony ko control over the party ki congress ki within the party ki internal democracy ko intra party democracy su laitra Indira Gandhi na dum doi person gara and then forced sterilization ko sina koi population control to bogi namada Sanjay Gandhi mai machan pa na forced sterilization to gi ko widespread vasectomy to ko came daga thamaga very inhuman na boni she mak chinasuni koi emergency ki holocaust sinasuni keno origin hoji population control effort so the family planning program so kitang shiki awareness people the awabam origin ko police excesses widespread torture custodial deaths arbitrary relocation of people ko ano khangani ko chara ko pungina che dum yeng khangani impact of the emergency on the Indian democracy ko kai torba yabage haibadu ju koi ngarang yengre what you know the democratic options of what should have been done ko as Supreme Court judgment ngaram be yai ade yedum ko it's very important book kan on topic ni so 2018 the phone article ni durani 40 years ago ha jo brina trina ra so Indira Gandhi ju adu lo Indira Gandhi ji ko na jail chang de ni ko moi ji kano mathang da the voting log ni se 279 votes in favor and 138 against ko see article je pau Indira Gandhi jail to bisum just when the causes like your homework when ma khai le bu di ya photin te ta just YouTube ke lecture ni and you know some self exploration kharju to bata na ta so aduna hujik forward you know those 21 months of emergency were widely seen as the darkest hour of the Indian democracy as it posed threat to democratic processes and institutions ko khange hujik emergency gi kai maram da gi thokibna pre emergency crisis se kaina magi trigger point do kaino ngasai Allahabad High Court pi gi judgment ne adugi aftermath JP Narayan gi total revolution lakpa moine pi gi ba ko adagi mana kai noi bureaucracy da army da kai da man have iluno da gi magi lightning response ko emergency one imposed song under article 352 of Indian constitution ko aduga emergency da chathaki ba maya inhuman noi ba mayam do loi khangi hoje ko si lor gani akoi gi 44th Amendment Act 1978 haidana akhoi junta government ang purakri ko 42nd Amendment Act ta laiba hapsin gi myam panam lokthor gi nisida. Now this sigi matang la koi we'll discuss that in in a separate topic ko yam kan no ai bo idune. So anyway, thank you, have a nice day.